On your computer browser, open your Gmail and click on your profile photo. And here, make sure to add the Gmail or Google account, which account add date in your lost Android phone. So you have to use the same Google account to find out or track the lost device. Okay, now click on manage your Google account and you will directly jump into Google account page. Here, select security. Under security, scroll down and go to your devices section. Here, click on manage all devices. And here you will find all of your devices. Which devices are using the Google account. Now, for example, I want to track this device. So I'm clicking on the device name. And here, click on find device. And then you will directly jump into Google Find My Device page. Here you will get the lost device exact location. So this is the map and here we can see the device exact location. You can zoom in the map just like so to find out your lost device. If the device is connected to a Wi-Fi or not, and if connected, here we can see the Wi-Fi name. Also here we can see the device charging amount. And now if you want to play a sound to your lost device, you can just click on play sound and then a sound will be automatically start to play in your lost device. And if you want, you can secure your device by clicking here and we can see this device will be locked with its PIN, pattern or password. You will be signed out of your Google account on the device. After the device is secure, you can still locate it. So click on secure device to secure it. And if you want to factory reset the device, just click here. And if you want to find your device, just follow this map location and go ahead and you will be able to easily find out the lost device from Google. And you can follow these same steps from your another Android phone or from your iPhone or iPad.